WEMS, the Emergency Medicine Society. What do? We give talks throughout the year, plan careers evenings, practical workshops and annual conferences.
So lifetime membership is only £4, and this membership will get you a £5 reduction from your conference ticket, and this conference takes place every year. You'll also be the first to hear about any special events or opportunities that are only available to our members, and there might be things that will help you boost your CV as well. So keep an eye out for those and join our society.
The annual conference is a super exciting day, packed with interesting talks in the morning and workshops in the afternoon. It's busy, fast-paced and a whole lot of fun.
So what events do we have coming up? So freshers, there is a Q&A and a careers evening happening on the 3rd of November. To find out more, just join the Facebook group and you'll be able to know.
If you're not sure that emergency medicine is for you, don't worry. One of the Society's aims is to help people decide if emergency medicine is the right path. Emergency medicine is such a varied speciality that the clinical skills and knowledge that you will learn will be transferable and beneficial in helping you deal with many scenarios regardless of speciality.
So I hope that sold it to everybody, and we'll see you all at the careers evening on November the 3rd. Emergency medicine is definitely the best.